In this section, you learn the core principles of cybersecurity, including confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which form the foundational triad for safeguarding information. Understanding these principles is crucial as they underpin all cybersecurity efforts. You explored various types of cyber threats, such as malware, phishing, ransomware, and advanced persistent threats, gaining insights into how these threats compromise systems and data. This knowledge is essential for recognizing and mitigating potential risks. You also delved into cyber defense mechanisms, learning about firewalls, intrusion detection systems, antivirus software, and security protocols that protect against cyber threats. These mechanisms are vital for establishing a robust defense posture. The basics of cryptography were covered, highlighting the importance of encryption and decryption in securing communications, ensuring data integrity, and authenticating identities. Mastery of cryptographic principles is fundamental for protecting sensitive information in the digital realm. Additionally, you examined various cybersecurity frameworks and standards such as NIST, ISO IEC 27001, and CIS controls, which provide structured guidelines and best practices for managing and improving cybersecurity posture. Familiarity with these frameworks enables you to assess and enhance organizational security effectively. By understanding these interconnected elements, you are equipped with the knowledge to identify threats, implement defensive measures, and adhere to industry standards, thereby strengthening overall cybersecurity efforts. This comprehensive overview ensures you are prepared to contribute to and navigate the complex field of cybersecurity with confidence.